to connect your domain to Google site. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your domain to Google sites. So first of all, you have to head over to your Google sites and check out the site that you want to connect with domain, then open it up, or you can just create a domain. And then here you can see this published domain. Just tap onto the published domain, then you can request a public address search engine, and also you can check out this web address. Here you have to enter the web address, and or you can just go to the settings here, then tap onto custom domains, then tap onto connect domains. Then you have to buy a domain. For example, there are many domains hosters available. For example, Namecheap, this one you can just buy a random domain, for example domain, then search it up. You have to search for the domain that you want to connect. Like you can if you are using for food collection, then you can just search for food things, then you can just paste it up. Then you have to simply tap on to next one. You have to verify your ownership before that, and there we go. And make sure to enter your domain name perfectly. Then you can just tap on to continue, and then you have to verify it. Then you have to tap on to verify option, and then you have to just verify it. As you can see, I have not bought this one, so it is not showing to up to here. So you have to buy one domain, and then you have to confirm it. So this is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.